Welcome back to episode 2 of Rationalizing Among Us!
Yeah!
Oh yeah!
Math is Among Us, let's go!
Among Us.
So we have a virtual reality game of Math is Among Us, and I will maybe do a video in the future.
Yeah, new board! Let's go, new board!
Yeah!
So these are some good reviews. These are some good review problems.
Yeah.
So we did have some problems. We won't say which period, but we did have a certain number of problems. Could have been fifth or seventh, or maybe first or fourth. Probably this number. And they had trouble. They had trouble with problems like this. So let's do it again. Make sure you know how to do this for the test. So here's number 5. So we have a GCF. We have a greatest common factor.
Yeah!
Greatest common factor!
Okay, we're going to ask you guys, ready? Here, our guests here. We're going to ask you, what do you think is the greatest common factor in these 3 terms?
7!
Try again.
3!
4!
4. Good. 4 does not go into those 2 though.
Oh.
So bring it up to 2.
There we go. 2, baby.
And is there an X term? An X term?
X squared!
X squared is absolutely correct. X squared is the GC. 2x squared is the GCF. So we divide by 2x squared, divide by 2x squared, divide by 2x squared, multiply by 2x squared.
What's up, new board?
Okay. So then, 4 divided by 2 is 2. X to the 4th divided by x squared is x squared. Plus, we got a 15. X cubed take away x squared is just an x. And then 15x squared divided by 2x squared is a 7. Good. So the question is, you guys vote on it. You guys vote on it. The question is, can we factor more or not?
Yeah.
Yeah!
What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
No! Yes!
Can we factor more? Can we factor more?
I don't think so!
Should we try it?
Let's try it!
Always try.
Always!
With Math Among Us, always try.
Always
try.
Imposter!
Here we go. Whoa, the imposter.
Because there might be a imposter that could be simplified down.
Right? So we have 2x and x. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So if we do plus and plus, guess what? It works!
Always simplify!
Now I have a teacher's aide that's in my math lab, 2 of them, that helped us today. And so she said to remind you to do what? You got to find out. Bring the 2x squared down. That's a part of your answer. That's a part of your answer. Let's go. Careful. Okay, there we go. So that's number 5. That's number 5. Okay, you guys go and shout out what the next number is.
Number 7!
So this is a good review. This is a good review assignment of what we've learned so far. These are cube roots now, cube roots. So we have to break 54 down. And 54 breaks down into 9 times 6. And 9 breaks down into 3 times 3. 6 breaks down into 3 times 2. Then we also want you to pause me while you're watching my video so that you make sure.
Pause me. Pause me.
Pause in.
Make sure. So make sure you pause me. Try it on your own. There's no point in just copying my videos. Make sure you pause me. Try it on your own first. And then see how you did. See how you did. Okay, so since it's a cubed root, we're able to circle 3 3s for our cube root. And when we circle 3 3s, that means that they can now pass through the door. And only one of them comes out. Only one of them comes out. Only 1, 3. Only 1, 3. comes out. Comes out. There we go. So that's 3 times -2 is -6. So now we have -6, right? We have a cube root. We still have a 2 in there, still have a 2 in there. And then how many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many y's do we have? How many y's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many groups of what? Groups of what?
We got 3.
3. So we have 1, 2. X's are going to come out. So that's -6. And we have 2 of them that can come out. 2 of them. So that's going to be 2 of them. 2x. So that's x squared that comes out. Right? Only one x comes out per group. And then we have 1, 2, 3 y's. And so 3 of those come out. And what we have left with is just a 2. That goes away. And a y. There we go. That's number 7 done.
Number 7's done.
Okay, good job. We got number 9. Now, in all
Let's
seriousness,
go, number 9.
in all seriousness, what is I times I?
Nothing.
I to the second power.
That's it. That's it. I to the second power.
I to the second power.
3 times 2 is 9. -2 times 2. -2i times 2i. What's that?
Is positive -4i squared.
And what is I squared?
Positive. Positive. Is it
Should we
not?
try it? Should we try it?
Let's try it.
Does anybody know what I squared is? I times I. What's I squared? What's I squared? It's an imaginary number. It's an imaginary number. Imaginary number. Where's I? Do you see I? There it is. I. Nope, that's not it. Okay, so we have I don't think that's gonna work actually, but we're gonna try it. That's not right. What's our imaginary number? Exactly how I feel when we don't know what I squared is. So let's do it though. Okay, ready? So what is? Okay, stop. Okay, so we have the square root of a -1 is I. There it is. Oh! So when do we square that answer? When do we square that answer? Okay, stop. Okay, so if we square that answer, we are going to get a -1 back again. So I squared is -1. So -4 now. -4 times -1 is a +4. And 9 plus 4 is 5, right? 9 plus 4 is 5. However, we're forgetting the nose and the mouth.
Yeah.
So 3 times -2i is a -6i. And this 3 with a +2i is a +6i.
Nice.
And those will, in fact, cancel out.
Nice.
Boom! So we are just left with a 5.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, good. Okay, stop. Okay, good. Okay, last but not least, number 11. Last but not least.